Hi, I'm Simon and I lead our online research here at IGD. I'm excited to share the details about our 2019 Digital Commerce event. We know retail is changing and we're building a great two-day lineup of speakers covering the biggest themes in our area. We'll help you prepare for the future by discussing topics like the impact of new retail and tech-driven growth. We'll also give you quick wins to grow your online business with sessions on the perfect online store and how to maximize events and MPD launches online. In 2019, the event will be on the 6th and 7th of November in London. And, new for this year, Digital Commerce will be part of IGD Live, our brand new flagship event for commercial professionals in our industry. As well as Digital Commerce, we're also running our convenience, food to go, and category management events at the same time as dedicated insight streams. The choice is yours. If you see a topic or a speaker in another stream you're interested in, just move and see that. And at the start and end of both days, everyone will come together to hear keynote presentations from industry leaders like Amazon's Patrick Pondovan. So, in 2019, you'll get 2 in-depth days of digital commerce insight as always, and then on top, you'll get a great program of leadership keynotes and the ability to move into other insight streams if the fancy takes you. All with no price increase versus 2018, and you can take advantage of our early bird prices now by following the link below. In IGD Live, we want to create the best possible event to help you learn, connect, and grow. There won't be a standalone digital commerce event from IGD in 2019. This is its new home. I look forward to seeing you there.